Vikas Dubey, the dreaded gangster of Kanpur Dehat from Chaubepur, in fact, has once again been caught on the CCTV camera of a sweet shop where he had gone in Faridabad after he visited an Oyo hotel in the same city. Remember, Haryana police is on high alert, and in fact, the UP STF is also closely tracking him. Earlier, we showed you exclusive visuals of the CCTV footage of that sweet shop inside, and now this is from outside the shop where the gangster can be seen taking a three-wheeler, an auto in all likelihood, and going away from this shop. In fact, this CCTV footage would definitely serve the purpose for the police who is in trail of this dreaded gangster who ambushed and killed 8 policemen during a raid which was conducted on his residence on the intervening night of 2nd and 3rd July. There you see in the CCTV visuals exclusively on your channel, the gangster sitting in an auto and going away from that sweet shop where he was last seen. Let's go across to my colleague Siddhant, who's joining me live from Faridabad from the same sweet shop where this CCTV visual has been captured from. Siddhant, again, now this is a clearer picture really of this man sitting in an auto. Siddhant, can you hear me? Okay, I think we'll go across to Siddhant in just a bit, and it needs to be determined whether the man sitting in the auto is actually Vikas Dubey, because he's alone when he seems to have visited the sweet shop. The police is yet to come out with their version on what exactly happened. But earlier, before this, there was a CCTV grab which we did put out first on your channel in the morning from an Oyo hotel where he was trying to get a room with the help of some of his aides. But when the hotel refused, he left that place even before the police could raid that hotel. And then later, he seems to have gone to a sweet shop. Siddhant is back with me on the broadcast. Siddhant, if you can first explain to us this CCTV visual from outside the sweet shop, and what do the workers there at the shop say? Is the possibility of this man being Vikas Dubey pretty high?
Well, that's right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. We have got the CCTV from here. We'll speak to the shopkeeper. सर ये बताइए, पुलिस कल CCTV जब लेने आई तो बताया है विकास दुबे ही है.
हाँ जी.
बोला फिर CCTV. So here this shopkeeper is confirming that पुलिस ने इनको बताया कि विकास दुबे का CCTV हम लेने आए हैं, वो यहाँ देखा गया. क्या कुछ बात हुई आपकी पुलिस से?
तो पुलिस यही कह रही थी कि भाई ये कोई बंदा है और उसकी फोन ट्रैक कर रखा था और वो यहाँ की आई हुई थी उनकी. तो पुलिस ने हमारे से बोला कि भैया शीशी अपना ये दिखा दो कैमरे में. तो हमने तो ये देख लो. उन्होंने देखा तो जब वो नजर आया बैठा तो जब ये कहा कि यही दुबे है.
यही दुबे बोला पुलिस ने. पुलिस ने बोला यही दुबे. पुलिस ने बोला यही दुबे. So this man is confirming to me police came looking for his footages here at this shop, and the time he asked the police that whom are you looking for, they are saying they are looking for the fugitive gangster Vikas Dubey. Then when police saw his footage at around 3:15 3:20 in the afternoon, 3:20 की बात है ना दोपहर में, when police saw his footage, police confirmed to him कि यही दुबे है. So this is one of the major leads that police has got as far as Vikas Dubey's manhunt is concerned. Multiple teams have been formed. They are raiding couple of places. They are searching for Vikas Dubey, not just in Haryana, Faridabad, even in NCR. And from yesterday, they have got a step closer to Vikas Dubey as 3 of his associates were arrested yesterday in a raid where he was hiding. So Harinagar is right behind this place where I'm reporting from. So that particular place is Harinagar. So he came walking from Harinagar. It is like 500 kilometers. He came here. He stood near this pole. So you can see the CCTV footage. This is a pole where Vikas Dubey stood for a while. Then he suddenly saw CCTV cameras there at Bikaner Mishtan Bhandar. He immediately went behind this pole so that he should not get captured in the CCTV footage. But by that time, footages had already captured him. Okay. And he was trying to stop the auto here. The autos were coming from this side. He was trying to to stop. 2 autos refused to carry him. The third auto agreed, and he sat inside the auto. So this is what we are picking on the ground. Now,
That's
what
right.
is very
Siddhant, in
interesting,
fact, thanks
Preeti,
now
is-
being the first channel to really bring those exclusive visuals for our viewers, and this is an extremely significant lead, like you said, for the cops who are investigating this matter and are on the trail of Vikas Dubey, the dreaded gangster who has killed 8 policemen of Uttar Pradesh. Thanks very much, Siddhant, for tracking those inputs for us. And now